You can see I'm in the middle of a Calendar Snack Organizer dashboard. Calendar Snack comes free with our Calendar Invite server on AWS. Today is game day, Sunday, December 8th. The NFL is over here. The NBA is right here in this current picker. Now, when I choose a file for an NBA game, I am picking out a file of 11 email addresses. If I show you, there it is. And I'm going to scroll down to I believe I want to go to the 4:30 game sequence. So I'm not sure how many calendar invites I've sent out. So if I'm curious already, and I'm going to drill into this bucket of data here. And I'm going to try to figure out for the 4:30 game if I sent out any data yet. Essentially any calendar invites for this game. And if I view the report, you'll see for this specific game, Magic at the Suns, I have not. So going back out to the send calendar invites, right here, I'm going to choose a file. Again, I'm going to show you. And that's going to populate game infrastructure here. And the game infrastructure, I'm going to pick that one out for this game today. Round 7, and I'm going to scroll down and I am going to show you the list again. And I am going to show you the fact that I can send a calendar invite to a bulk list just by using a simple command and showing you that the demo is sending live data to an API which we've built on a calendar invite server for AWS. Now that data is now being sent to these 11 people, essentially a calendar invitation, and that data is coming out of this database here, the calendar invite server database on DynamoDB. So what I've done over here is I've picked out an event, I've clicked it, I've given a command of yes, it's sending the command to the API gateway, that data is in the Dynamo database itself, and we've sent out a calendar invitation to the queuing of a single email address times 11, and that data now is being collected from the end users who received the calendar invite called a calendar receipt. That data is being stored into and being passed back to the API gateway, in which we do a really nice job, I believe, on data analytics for millions of calendar invites. That wraps up the demo, and thanks for coming by. I'll just show you a sneak peek of the data being collected here. And we have 2 people here in the email addresses. We have Mandy here and we have Zach here. We'll refresh their inboxes and you'll see that they both received a calendar invite, for the Magic at the Suns. When they say yes, no, or maybe, that data is collected on the back end for potentially millions of calendar invites you send out using our infrastructure built on AWS. Thanks for stopping by.